Thank you, my guy. Let me enjoy my money while I am young.
So guys, in this video I want to show you how to generate the VEO3 AI video that you just watched that looks so real. So the first thing you do is to go to your browser and type gemini.google.com. This is it here, gemini.google.com, right? So when you type it, this is one of the websites you can use for that. You have like two websites you can use. Either you use Gemini or you use Flow, right? You can use Flow, you can use Gemini. So, but all of them is Google. So click on it. So when it opens, you go down to Gemini AI Pro. This Gemini AI Ultra Pro and Ultra. Click on it. So it will open like this. When it opens like this, right, just click on this upgrade. For you to be able to use it, you have to upgrade. So now, as you can see here, it said 28,500, right? But they are giving you zero free, like zero payment for 1 month. So the thing here is that you have to sign in as if you want to pay for the pro version, but they are not going to charge you for 1 month. So when you sign in, you put in your debit card details. You can just use any debit card that is working, any valid card, ATM card that is working, just put it. I use Fidelity. So you can even use your OPay card if it is working, or this online bank. Just use any of them, it will work. So you come here, you go to click on Get Google AI Pro. So you agree on their terms and conditions. So it will bring you to this place. Now, I don't know the country you are chatting from, but whichever country you are chatting for, just use the valid ATM card, the card you are using to make payments online. Just use it. So click on this add card. Click on add card. Then put your details. So I want to put my details now. So after putting your details, put everything, then put the address, your house address and everything, postal code and everything. If you don't know it, just go to Google and ask them. Anything you don't know here, from this address, maybe you don't know your postal code, city, all these things, just go to Google and ask. Google will give you the answer. So I'll put all my details now, then we will continue. Okay, so after putting your card, right, it will bring you, they will ask you to save, right? Just click on save. It will bring you to this place now. They will also ask you to save the card. You can choose to save the card, you can choose to cancel. To save the card means to save those numbers into their system, right? So that next time if you want to do anything, you don't have to go and be putting the numbers again. So it will bring you to this place. Now if you look here, you will see starting one free trial today, right? Then you see starting to pay. Now for you to pay now, it will 1 month from now, right? You're going to pay 1 month from now, but you are starting free trial, right? So look at it now. 1 month from now is July 2025. So today is June 17, 2025. So you are going to pay the money July 2025, July 17. So it's 1 month from now. So, and again, you can only, okay, I will come to that. So you come here, see what they say. They say cancel anytime in subscription on Google Play. You won't be charged if you cancel before July 17, 2025. We will send you a reminder 7 days before your trial ends. So now you click on, just after everything, just click on this subscribe. So it will take you to the main place where we will generate the video. So you see subscribed, it will show subscribed. It means that you have subscribed to their platform. So now you click on this X to remove this subscribe. click here on this thing to remove this subscribe. So now you click on this, go to Gemini Pro. So this is Gemini Pro. This is how the interface will be. Now they say welcome to Gemini Pro. Now this is what we do. Make sure if you want to generate video, if it is like this now, you start typing, it won't generate video until you select this video. Make sure that this video is selected. Display the save video, make sure it is selected. So let me show you. Okay, there's nothing here. So make sure that this video is selected, this place. Make sure you click on it to select that video. Now they said describe your video, so I'm going to put in the prompt I want to use for me to generate the video. Okay, so this is the prompt that I generated. Now the prompt says, a Nigerian man sitting at a table in a restaurant that serves African food. A waiter walks to him and serves him some food while smiling. The man responds with, "Thank you, my guy. As I dey walk, I go chop oh." So this is it. So let's send it now. So you click on this send button here. You click on this thing, right? So you send. So he said, "I am generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So check back to see when your video is ready." So once you click it like this, make sure your network is stable. Then you leave it. Maybe in 3 to 5 minutes, come and check. Or you can hold your phone and wait 3 to 5 minutes to see if your video is generated. So we are going to see if it's going to generate exactly the way I put it with those pidgin English, or we are going to make some adjustments. So our video has been generated, so let's play and see.
Thank you, my guy.
So it didn't give me exactly what I want, like it did not complete. So I'm going to put it again, but this time I'm going to shorten the right up so it will give me exactly what I want, right? So now if you look here, you will see something. They said you can generate 2 more videos today, right? So you have only three times to generate in a day, only 3 times. So anything you are doing, make sure that your write-up is short and precise. So let's try again. Okay, so I have shortened it now. I said a Nigerian man was served food by a waiter in an African restaurant. The man responds with, "Thank you, my guy. As I dey walk, I go chop oh." So let me put something like the Nigerian man responds, so that it will make sense. Now let's see what it will generate. Okay, so this is the result that we got.
Thank you, my guy. As I dey walk, I go chop.
So it didn't really give me exactly what I want. So I will add another one again. So this time around, I'm not going to add pidgin. So sometimes when you add pidgin, it works fine. So sometimes, depending on the this is AI, so most times it does not really give you exactly what you want. So you have to like prompt and get exactly what you want. So I'm going to put good English now and see how it will be. So guys, when you are doing your own, just try many so that you can be able to get exactly what you want. So I will now put thank you, my guy. I will say, let me enjoy my money while I'm young. Now I have only 3 this thing to generate in a day because it's free. Enjoy my money while I am young. So I believe this one will come out fine. So let's see. Alright, so our video is ready. Now let's play.
Thank you, my guy. Let me enjoy my money while I am young.
So this is fantastic, right? This is fantastic. So with this, you can generate any video, but it lasts for 8 seconds, right? So maybe if you're a video editor, you know what to do. Keep generating it scene by scene. Maybe you want to tell a story, you keep generating it scene by scene, but the limitation there is that you can only generate 3 videos in a day, except you pay 28,000 or 28,000 plus. You can have full access to everything. So go ahead and enjoy. This is very simple. Okay, so after generating, if you want to save, just tap on the screen. You will see this arrow here. You will see this arrow. Let me show you. When you tap on the screen, you see this arrow here. You see this arrow here facing down. There is one arrow that will appear here. Just look here, you will see one arrow that will appear here. So you tap on the screen, you click on that arrow, download arrow. So it will download to your phone gallery. So you see it, just download, click on download. As fast as it will download. So it's as simple as that. So go ahead and practice it and utilize it. So I believe you got value from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share it to your friends and family. Also turn the notification bell so that when we share videos like this, you will get notified. Thank you for watching.